Okay, now let us see the next stanza. Belinda tickled him. Him is here. Him here is dragon. Belinda tickled dragon. She tickled him unmerciful. Unmerciful means without having any pity. So Belinda used to tickle the dragon without any pity, only to make ink, blink, and mustard laugh. Right? Only to entertain them. Ink, Blink and Mustard, they rudely call him here is dragon. So they rudely call the dragon Percival. Percival was a knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, knight of King Arthur, A-R-T-H-U-R, who was known for his strength and for his expertise in fighting. So deliberately they used to call the dragon Percival, otherwise he was very coward, but then they used to call him Percival. They all sat laughing in a little red wagon. They here is, Custard is not here included, it is Belinda, Ink, that kitten, Blink, that mouse, and Mustard, that dog. So they used to sit in that little red wagon which was there in Belinda's house, and they used to make fun of dragon at the Realio Trulio cowardly dragon. They used to make fun. Belinda used to tickle him, and then they used to laugh. Belinda giggled till she shook the house. Right? Belinda laughed, and either Belinda was tickling the dragon and the others, this Ink, Blink and Mustard, used to laugh, or otherwise they used to make fun of dragon and then four of them used to laugh, right? So, and Belinda laughed so much that she used to shake the house. This much she used to laugh. And Blink said weak, which is giggling for a mouse. Blink is a mouse. So how a mouse laughs? Producing this sound weak, right? Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age, and whenever this Custard, he cried for a nice safe cage, right, for himself. That time Ink and Mustard, they used to ask him, how old are you that you need a safe cage, right? Now let us see which poetic devices have been used here. One is repetition. See this, tickle him and tickle him. So repetition has been used here, and then allusion has been used here. See this, they used to call dragon Percival. So indirect reference, allusion has been used here, and then again this poetic license, Realio Trulio, and then exaggeration, that Belinda used to laugh so much that she used to shake the house. So exaggeration has been used here. Yes, onomatopoeia, that is when sound has been used, like if hiss sound produced by the snake, that hiss has been written. Now this beak has been written. This sound a mouse produces when the mouse laughs. So here it is onomatopoeia. The next stanza is, suddenly they heard a nasty sound. Nasty means unpleasant sound, right? When they were laughing, they were busy making fun of dragon and they were laughing. What happened? Suddenly they heard an unpleasant sound. And Mustard growled, the dog, he growled, and they all looked around. Muke cried Ink, the kitten, he cried, he produced this sound, Muke. So this is onomatopoeia. And ooh cried Belinda. Belinda also, she produced the sound ooh, right? For there was a pirate climbing in the window. Window here means window, so poetic license, right? And a pistol in his left hand, pistol in pirate's left hand, and also pistol in his right hand. So in both the hands he had pistol, and he held in his teeth. See, both the hands pistols, and in his teeth he was holding a cutlass. Cutlass is this kind of weapon, right? Bright, and that was shining. His beard was black, so his beard was black, and one leg was wood. He also had one artificial leg made up of wood. See his appearance. Pistol in both the hands, cutlass here he was holding, and he was climbing the window. And his beard was black, and one leg was also of wood. It was clear that pirate meant no good, and it was clear that pirate did not have any good intention. Right? Now let us see the poetic devices which have been used here. One is repetition of this word suddenly. Right? And then onomatopoeia, I told you this sound was produced. That is not a natural sound, so we will not consider that. This one, kittens, they produce this sound. And then poetic license, at place of window, poet has used winda. Then in this stanza, alliteration has been used, repetition of sound her, and then alliteration has been used, and repetition of this word pistol has been used. Right?